Welcome back. Today, we're discussing Burger Coin's latest updates and its price prediction for 2025. If you're holding Burger or considering an investment, stay tuned for key insights. Burger Coin is the native token of Burger Cities, a decentralized finance platform built on Binance Smart Chain. It offers DeFi services like yield farming, staking, and liquidity provision, aiming to make financial services more accessible. As of March 25, 2025, Burger Coin is trading at $0.07273 with a 24-hour trading volume of over $11.5 million. But can it go higher? Let's analyze. Experts have shared mixed predictions. Wallet Investor previously predicted that Burger Coin could reach $28.59 by the end of 2025. Digital Coin Price estimated a more conservative target, expecting an average price of $2.99 in 2025. Several factors could drive Burger Coin's price up. Increased adoption of Burger City's DeFi services could raise demand for the token. Platform developments, including new features and upgrades, might attract more investors. The overall performance of the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, will also play a key role in shaping Burger Coin's price movement. While some predictions suggest strong growth, the cryptocurrency market remains volatile. It's important to do thorough research, monitor market trends, and assess risks before investing. What do you think? Will Burger Coin hit new highs in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more crypto updates.